how to upload a video on YouTube on your iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can upload a video on YouTube on your iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you would like to upload a video from YouTube on your iPhone, all you have to do is very simple. Go ahead and then make sure to launch the YouTube application here, and once you launch a YouTube app, make sure that you are logged into the correct channel from which you would like to upload the video. And just from the bottom of the screen you'll find the plus icon. Make sure to tap the plus icon here, and then make sure to select a certain video that you would like to upload for some reason, and then just tap the next option here. After you do that, tap the next option again. Now if it is a short, keep it as a short because YouTube is going to automatically recognize a short. If it's not a short, it will be uploaded as a full-fledged video, so you can just go ahead and then make sure to enter your caption as well. Once you enter the caption and your visibility and everything, you should be able to upload this successfully. This way you'll be able to go ahead and then upload a video from YouTube on iPhone. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.